All right, first of all, thanks for watching my videos, guys. Okay, let's do a little tour of LiveGood. All right, I'll take you behind the scenes a little bit, show you some products, all right, and just some advice that I've learned over the last couple of years by being an affiliate and a member, okay? And why don't we just start right now, okay? This is what I do to promote LiveGood. Obviously, I like to do video, so I'll upload a video exactly like this one, okay? I'll talk anywhere from 2 minutes, 5 minutes. My favorite length is right around 10 minutes. For some reason, I feel like I don't have to rush and talk 100 miles an hour, but then I can share my screen and kind of just talk at a normal pace like this, okay, while promoting LiveGood. Okay, so this is my favorite way. I know a lot of people do TikTok and Instagram where it's more about speed, try to get things done in 15 seconds. I've had zero success in LiveGood with high speed hauling ass on TikTok videos. Okay, this is just my experience. Okay, so let's begin. All right, let me shrink my screen. Okay, the first thing I did, and I bought joincory.com from GoDaddy. I think I paid about $10-11. I bought a domain the other day and it was $11.99. Okay, so let's just say anywhere from $11 to $12, and that's out the door. You can buy a custom domain. Now, this is if it's not already taken. Okay, I bought joincory.com, joincorynow.com. I bought workwithcory, all right, .com. I also bought my name, corydraper.com. And then I also bought joincorydraper.com. And, since they're kind of cheap, $11-12, I just thought, I got $50-60. Let's just buy a bunch of domains that I can keep. And I can use them for LiveGood. And in this case, I do. Okay, so I get business cards from Vistaprint. I think they're cheap, and they come right to my door. They have like 10,000 templates that you can decide to use. I always use red with a white font. See how it kind of jumps off the card? And I'm a big car guy. I love trucks and motorcycles and everything. So I just picked this design on Vistaprint, a silhouette of like let's just say it's a sports car. Joincory.com, I use this font because if I put this business card down on a table or on a wall, you can see the joincory.com. That's what I want you to click, okay, to look at LiveGood as a member and an affiliate. You can put your email address and your real name if you want, okay, but less is better in a business card environment, okay? So if you look at my screen, here's some of my business cards, okay? And I think even far away, I'm probably like 3 feet away from my webcam. I think you can still see the Join Cory, okay? Because I want you to click before calling and doing stuff and trying to just take up time. You got to realize no one wants to talk on the phone anymore. Everybody just wants to text, email, or watch video and make a decision. Do you want to join LiveGood or not? Okay? So with this technique, I've signed up well over 400 people. I'll have 500 by summer. Okay, so let me shrink my screen again. This is what I recommend. Now, when you click joincory.com, you're going to go to a capture page, which I'll show you in just a second. Okay, so why don't I just show you real quick since we're here? Okay, this is a capture page that you get when you join LiveGood. Okay, you can put your own custom name here or business. I just put welcome to Cory Draper's LiveGood website, okay? And then what I do is I invite everybody to watch this video, okay? It's about 6 minutes long. And Ben Glinsky, our CEO, he talks about products, the opportunity, how much, where, when, how. Everything is just perfectly done in 5 minutes and 55 seconds. Okay, now if people watch this video, you can kind of tell in 30 seconds if you want to be an affiliate or not with LiveGood. Maybe you just want to buy the products, and that's fine. But if you want to be an affiliate, you want to watch this video. And if you want to join LiveGood, just put your name and email address here. Click Reserve My Position. Then go open your email, open the LiveGood email, and you can join from there. Okay, now if you don't join right away, once a day you're going to get a really nice email from LiveGood, just either reminding you or teaching you about the products or service or opportunity. Okay, so I'm a big fan, just to repeat, of inviting people to click joincory.com, and I can put this in an email, I can post on TikTok or Instagram, or in this case, I love doing a YouTube video with like 10 minutes in the back of my head. All right, I'm halfway done now at 5 minutes. Okay, so to repeat, joincory.com, business card. You go to this page here. And guys, you can tell if you want to do Live Good or not right away. And if not, just bookmark this page. Okay, and keep it real simple. All right, now let's go to the Live Good website. This is what you get if you join Live Good. You get your own website. It's already generated millions and millions of dollars each month. We have almost 2 million people already joined in 2 years. Okay, so if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Okay, so what I recommend you do is invite people to the products tab. And you can see the products that we sell. We have some hats and shirts and other things that are kind of fun, but we specialize in healthy things to put in your mouth. Okay, vitamins, supplements, protein, chocolate, vanilla, super reds and super greens. These are my favorite products. The orgasmic coffee is delicious. If you need energy, the E3, you can put this in any drink. CBD oil, even for pets. We have a cream. If you have shore, that's a hard to say, sore shoulders. Okay, try out this CBD pain relief cream. Super cheap, 2,000 milligrams, makes you feel good. Factor 4 is always one of our top sellers. Just some of the best ingredients. All right, if you need energy, if you need help sleeping, essential oils, look at us. Now, the nice thing about our pricing, guys, we are a wholesale company. We are not retail, and then you got to go find people to sell these products, and then you can't sell them online or you get canned by the company. We are not a traditional MLM. We are not Avon. We're not Amway. We're not Herbalife, New Skin. You do not buy products to earn commissions. We're a membership website. We like to compare ourselves to like a Costco or an Amazon. Okay? When you join Amazon, let's say Prime, it's nice to get free shipping. When you're here in America and you join Costco, okay, pay your yearly fees, and you go in there and you buy food, frozen food, camping gear, socks, big screen TVs, jewelry. On the way out, you can get those big old hot dogs they sell. Okay? We like to be a membership-based website. We're always going to be that for $10 a month. It's $9.95 a month. You join. Every month you're a member. Guess what? You get wholesale pricing. All right? Shipping, post office, if you live here in America. Okay, so I live in Utah. I can go online, let's say it's Monday. I order some products, and since we're in Jupiter, Florida, where we're based, I get my products in about 4 or 5 days. If you're out of the country, obviously it takes longer, and we use DHL International. And we have tracking. So if you want to know where your packages are, just go online, and you can see the tracking number that you get when you order. Okay, super easy. Everything we do at Live Good is easy. That's why we're able to duplicate and get 2 million people rocking and rolling already. Okay, so let me shrink the screen up. Okay, so please look at the products. Now, the second thing I want you to do, go to the FAQ tab. See all these questions? Just click them. Click, click, read, read. All right, every one of these are answered for you. That way, 80 or 90% of all your questions, you don't have to call anybody and bug anyone. Just read online. Okay, now, you want to know how we get paid? Go to the bottom of your cell phone or your computer screen. It's either going to say affiliate, pay plan, or just the word pay plan. Okay, I noticed that if your screen is configured a different size, the word affiliate disappears. So if you look on your screen, do you see where it says pay plan? Just click it. Okay, now go ahead and just look at all 7 ways we get paid. And remember, we're on the membership side how we make commissions. Read all 7 here, but you know what's the best? Don't you like video? Look at that. A beautiful, well-produced video by Live Good. All right, say hi to this pretty girl here. Hit that little button there in the middle and just watch the YouTube video on how we get paid. And if you don't understand it, watch it 2 or 3 times and then you're fine. And if you want to be an affiliate like me, I suggest invite everyone to watch this video. Please don't try to explain the comp plan. It's boring. All these frequently asked questions, let everybody just figure it out themselves. Okay, wouldn't you agree that if we were talking right now and I went through every pay plan opportunity mixed with the questions and every product, guys would be on the phone for hours and you're going to forget everything that we're going to discuss anyway. It's all about video now. All right, get a business card. On a street level, don't talk about Live Good. Just say it's a great company, but you know what? Go to joincory.com and watch that 6-minute video. And if you like what you see, then let's go to A, B, C, D. All right. I don't like to talk about A, the opportunity, and then we hop all around and all of a sudden your whole day is just talking about Live Good and you might not even have any signups. Okay. Don't waste time. It's 2025. It's almost March of 2025. It's all about video now. People want to watch their screen and make up their mind. Yeah, I love Live Good, or nope, it's just not for me, or I just want to buy the products. Okay. This is a really cool opportunity for you. I'm excited if you are not joined as an affiliate. The products speak for themselves. You got 3 months, guys, 90 days to use any of our products. No questions asked. Even if you take a container and empty it and send it back to Jupiter, Florida, our distribution center, guess what? You get a full refund. 90 days, guys. Pretty cool, right? But as an affiliate, if you want to join now, $49.95. You got $50, you get 5 cents back. Okay. And if you want to join for the year, if you got $99 and 95 pennies, you can get 12 months for the price of 10. I don't make any more or less if you join for the year or by the month. Just join according to budget. $49.95 and you're in. Okay. So let me show you my business card one more time. And if you have any questions, after going through the FAQ and the products and the comp plan and everything else, you can see on the screen, Cory at CoryDraper.com. Okay, so let's make this easy. And when you join as an affiliate, your goal is to make it as simple as hopefully I just did the last 10 minutes. Okay, get a business card, invite people to click, to watch a video. Let everyone decide on their own. Don't call them. Don't bug them. Don't be one of those persons that are from the 70s, 80s, 90s, 2000s. No one wants an Avon lady or an Amway person knocking on the door. Just, oh, there's nothing worse than being clingy and desperate. You don't have to be. Guys, like I said, it's March of 2025. It's a whole different world out there. It's all about this. Eyeballs watching videos, either on a laptop, a home computer, or on one of these little things that look like a white Pop-Tart in my case, okay? All right, guys, thank you for your time. All right, I sure appreciate everything. And I hope you join Live Good, okay? All right, have a good one. Go to my YouTube channel and click and subscribe to it, okay? And I always like to say peace and love. All right, we'll see you next video, guys. Thanks a ton. Bye.